Good morning dear students. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. This is Sana here and I'll teach you computer of class 3rd. Students, before starting our first chapter, let me introduce your computer book. This is your computer book. Let's click by Friends publication of class 3rd. Now I'll show you the contents of the book. Here is your content and total 7 chapters are there in the book, and I am going to teach you first chapter, a computer system, that is on page number 5. All of you students, take out your book, open page number 5. Here is a chapter. First, the name of the chapter is a computer system. In this lesson you will learn about these 7 topics. First, introduction. Second, functions of a computer. Third, computer and its parts. Fourth, kinds of output. Fifth, types of hardware. Sixth, hardware equipment and functioning. And 7, IPO cycle. These 7 topics you will learn in this chapter. See the introduction. First of all, I introduce you about the computer. What is computer? You very well known. A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. Students, a computer is an electronic machine that is used to generate information from data, and it can also store, organize data and control other machines. What are the machine? What are the parts of machine? Computer machine. Parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, CPU, UPS, mouse, scanner, etc. are the parts of the computer. Remember that data are unorganized raw facts and figure. What is data? Data is a collection of facts such as number, words, figure, and information is meaningful data upon which decision can be based. Computer manners. We should learn everything about the computer, and for that we have to pay attention in the classroom. You should learn everything about the computer, and the classroom and the computer room you have to pay attention. Okay student? टीचर आपको पढ़ाती है, समझाती हैं लैब में, क्लास में, आपको अटेंशन रहकर सुनना है, समझना है. ओके, नाउ टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज functions of a. There are the various functions that can be performed by a computer. These are the function. The first function is entering the data, processing the data, data storage and output of data processing. What is the first function of entering the data? We can enter data with the help of input devices such as keyboard, mouse, etc. We can put data into the computer with the help of input devices. Input devices are the keyboard, mouse, joystick. Right? So you can enter the data with the help of these input devices. Processing the data, it performs the calculations, compare data which is done with the help of CPU. With the help of CPU you can process the data into the computer. Data storage, computer can store data in its memory. Data can also be stored on external storage devices like the floppy disk and pen drive. Data storage, you can store lots of data or information into the memory, and external storage devices are also called the memory devices. Storage devices like the floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD etc. are the external storage devices. आप इन storage devices में आप अपना data को store कर सकते हैं easily. Okay, these are the storage devices. Output of data processing. Output is the information or result produced by the computer. Output of data processing is the result showing by the computer. Whatever you work done in the computer, you can showing the result through the output devices. Output devices are the printer. With the help of printer, you can show the result. Next, computer and its parts. You very well known about the parts of computer. I told you parts of computer are printer, scanner, mouse, monitor, CPU, keyboard are the parts of computer. Let's read the first, hardware. What is hardware? All physical parts of a computer are collectively called hardware. Some hardware parts are discussed below. What are the hardware? Hardware are the machinery and electronic part that can be feel and touch. हार्डवेयर पार्ट कौन से होते हैं? जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्ट होते हैं जिनको हम टच करते हैं. मशीनरी पार्ट आर दी हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स, राइट. मॉनिटर, so the first part, monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit. It short name VDU. It works as both input and output devices. It show what the computer is doing. Monitor is that part which is input as well as output device, and it show what the computer is doing. और ये show करता है जो computer work करता है. And it is also known as the VDU, visual display unit. Second, CPU. CPU full form Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. You very well known. Who is the brain of the computer? CPU is the brain of the computer. All the calculations and comparison are performed by the CPU, and it has 3 units of CPU. First, CU, control unit. Second, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, and third, MU, memory unit. These 3 units are inside in the CPU box. CU, ALU and MU. Next, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It helps us to enter data. With the help of keys, we are able to type the input. About 105 keys are present on the keyboard. In the keyboard, there are total 105 keys. कीबोर्ड में टोटल कीज 105 होती है, एंड इट इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस. कीबोर्ड इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस. It helps us to enter the data. Keyboard helps us to enter the data into the computer. Mouse. Mouse helps us to move the pointer on the screen. It helps us to select the required option on the screen, draw pictures and do many other things. Mouse क्या वर्क करता है? Mouse is the movement pointer on the screen, and it helps us to select the option, or it helps us to draw the pictures and many other things. With the help of mouse we can do. Okay. Next, printer. Printer is an output device. It is used to print the output on paper. What is the printer? What is the work of printer? Printer is used to print the work done by the computer on a paper. It is an output device. Next, software. What is software? Software क्या होता है? A number of computer programs are needed to enable the hardware to work and give result. These programs are collectively called hardware. Students, software. Software is the software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do and need to enable the hardware to work and give result. And the software is, example of software: MS Paint, MS Word, MS Excel, WordPad, etc. are the software. ये सॉफ्टवेयर को आप देख सकते हैं बट उसको टच नहीं कर सकते. हार्डवेयर पार्ट को आप इजीली टच करते हैं, फील करते हैं, बट सॉफ्टवेयर यू कैन डू ओनली द वर्क विद द सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके. सॉफ्टवेयर पे आप वर्क करते हैं और हार्डवेयर को टच करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, काइंड्स ऑफ आउटपुट. देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ आउटपुट. First, soft copy of output and hard copy of output. Soft copy means the information which appear on the computer screen and can be stored in a hard disk, CD, pen drive, etc. We can store the external devices. These are the soft copy of output which we can store our work in the storage devices, hard disk, pen drive, etc. And the hard copy of output, it means showing the result which is printed on the paper. Hard copy, like your question paper. Your question paper is the hard copy of output. Next, hardware equipment functioning. All the electronic and machinery parts related to a computer are collectively called the Hardware. It refers to the parts of computer system that can you touch and feel. What are the hardware? These are the hardware parts you can feel and touch. Hard disk, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, scanner, joystick, etc. are the hardware. These are the physical part. Now see the types of hardware. First, monitor. Monitor is an output device or input device. It is also known as visual display unit. It shows the work done by a computer. Result shown by it is called the soft copy. आप कंप्यूटर पे जो वर्क करते हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस के थ्रू, कीबोर्ड से आप टाइपिंग करते हैं, कंप्यूटर में एंटर करते हैं डेटा, वो क्या कहलाता है? सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहलाता है. ओके. और आप उस डेटा को आपको शो करना है, वो हार्ड कॉपी से शो होगा. हार्ड कॉपी होती है प्रिंटेड कॉपी विच इज़ प्रिंटेड ऑन द पेपर. जो पेपर पे प्रिंट होती है वो कहलाती है हार्ड कॉपी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, कीबोर्ड. Keyboard is used to input your work in the computer. Keyboard is used to input our work into the computer. We can input data by pressing keys of the keyboard. There are about 105 keys present on the keyboard. You know the total keys are there in the keyboard 105. Total keys are 105, and we can input data by pressing keys on the keyboard. And we used input your work in the computer with the help of input devices. Keyboard is an input device used to input data and give commands. Next, mouse. Mouse is a part of computer that we move and click to do things on a computer screen, and mouse is an input device. Mouse कौन सी device है? Input device है, and is a part of computer. Computer का part है. We can draw picture with the help of mouse and click to do things on the computer screen and move the cursor from one place to another. Next, joystick. Joystick. What is a joystick? Joystick is used to play games on a computer, and it is an input device. It detects movements in two direction. It has got a stick to give signal. ये joystick है और ये signal देती है, and it is used to play games on the computer. और ये game खेलने के लिए ये joystick का use किया जाता है. Next, scanner. Scanner. What is a scanner? This is the scanner. Scanner is used to scan picture, photos, images into the computer. It converts hard copy into soft copy. And computer is an input device. Computer कौन सी device है? Input device है, और ये convert करती है hard copy को soft copy में. ओके. और printer convert करता है soft copy से को hard copy में. ओके. It converts hard copy into soft copy. Next, printer. It makes a permanent copy of the processed information on paper. It converts soft copy into hard copy. Printer convert करता है soft copy से hard copy में. Okay. And printer is used to print the work done by the computer on a paper. Next, our last topic, IPO cycle. What is IPO? IPO is the input process output. According to input process output model, see the model, this is the model of input process output, IPO model. The computer system accepts data as input, processes it and provide the required output. In IPO cycle, first stage is performed in computer by input unit, second stage is performed by its central processing unit, and the third stage is performed by output unit. Here is a simple example of the input process. This is output cycle. See the model. He processing the data into the computer with the help of input devices, and the input devices is the keyboard. See, entering data and command. The second, processing data and command. Second stage is performed by its central processing unit. ये परफॉर्म कर रहा है डेटा कंप्यूटर से सीपीयू में, एंड द आउटपुट, द थर्ड स्टेज इज शोइंग द रिजल्ट. सी द एग्जांपल, इनपुट 7 + 8, एंटरिंग डेटा इन द कैलकुलेटर ऐप ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। कैलकुलेटर की ऐप में ये डेटा इनपुट किया गया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड की हेल्प से 7+8। देन प्रोसेस, कंप्यूटर ने प्रोसेस किया सीपीयू को 7+8 इक्वल्स टू प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ द डेटा, एंटर डेटा मीन्स प्रोसेसिंग द डेटा इनटू द सीपीयू। नाउ थर्ड स्टेज आउटपुट, 7+8 इक्वल टू 15, रिजल्ट गिवन बाय द कंप्यूटर, रिजल्ट कंप्यूटर ने शो किया दिया है, द रिजल्ट इज 15। ओके, so the process of computer tasks can be categorized into the 3 stages: input, when data in enter into the computer and the computer receive it, computer ने receive किया, and process, when the computer process the information that has been entered. The third, when information or the result is being displayed by the computer, आपको result show हुआ डिस्प्ले पर, क्या हुआ, आउटपुट हुआ, और आपने आउटपुट डिवाइसेस के थ्रू उस रिजल्ट को प्रिंट किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रिंटर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so your first chapter explanation is over. Now I'll give you homework to do in your notebook, in your fair notebook. Words to remember, you have to do in your fair notebook. Words to remember, write the heading short notes. Okay, this is your homework. Write all the words: data, CPU, hardware, software, scanner and video. You will do in your fair notebook, and the remaining portion, remaining work we will do in the next video. Okay students, till then take care. Thank you.